Hey guys, Dr. Yu here. As you may know, that we are transitioning to using Brightspace starting on March 1st, Monday, and we will resume our class in Brightspace instead of Blackboard. So I'm going to kind of walk you through the different sections in Brightspace so that you know where to find the different things, different materials, assignments, links to BioBeyond, things like that. All right, so I am in Learner's View, which means this is what you will see when you sign in our course on Brightspace. So first you will see some welcome. Don't worry about that. You can just close it if you want, but if you want to go see, different things, you can keep just clicking on next. So this is a welcome video. So after I make this video, I will insert a video here, which you will see, when you first log in Brightspace. And this is my information. You already know me really well, but we're required to put in some information here. And then the next one will be updated syllabus and schedule, which I've already sent to everybody, but just in case, you can always find it on Brightspace. And then that's the end of it. And then this is what you will see in the content area. So you will have a different kind of tabs here. Content, this is kind of like our coursework, where you can find lecture material and lab material. And you have grades here. This is where you can see your grades. Now, I noticed that this might still be the instructor's view, even though I signed in as a learner. So just to keep in mind that you may see, slightly different arrangement here, but you should see content where you go to access assignments, BioBeyond links, lab links, and then you have grades here. All right, now when you look at the content, so the content are all in different tiles, okay? And then you will notice that this arrangement is a little bit different than Blackboard. I actually really like Brightspace. I think it allows me to kind of better organize the course material, make it less confusing for students. So when you look at here, you won't see anything prior to the cyber attack, because I don't want to confuse you. So you will start in week 8, right? If you look at the updated syllabus, you will notice that in week 8, we are going to kind of finish off what we left in the cyber attack week. So if you click on that, it will take you to what you need to complete for this week. So you will see that I want you to kind of bring your attention to over here. So on the left side, you will have the table of content, which is very, very useful. So you can see in week 8, I have 2 folders. The first folder is lab. So all the virtual lab links, quiz links can be accessed in this folder. And then I have a folder that's called the BioBeyond. So in the BioBeyond folder, you will see the link to BioBeyond and a short description on what units or lessons you need to complete. Okay, so instead of keeping the lab and the BioBeyond separate, I decided to put them together under each weekly folder. So hopefully this way, it's easier for you to keep track of what you need to complete for a particular week. Okay, so for week 8, you're going to finish human genetics. Some of you have already done that before the cyber attack. That's fine. I will just transfer your grades and then you should be good. If you're not sure if you have done this, you might want to sign in, connect, and then see if you have grades for this virtual lab and this quiz. If you do, then you're all good. You have already caught up with everything. All right, now that's the lab for this coming week. And BioBeyond, here it is. So the link is here. You can just click on that, and I have a kind of description telling you that you need to complete all lessons in Unit 3. Oh, I missed the word in here. All lessons in Unit 3. This is what we left off in the cyber attack week. All right. So for each weekly folder, I have provided the same BioBeyond link, so you don't have to, go kind of come out of the folder and then use, that one link to access BioBeyond. So hopefully this will kind of make things a little bit easier for you. Same thing here, week 9, right? Lab. Again, it's due on Thursday, right? Remember, before the cyber attack, everything pertaining to lab was due on Thursday. So that's why I put the lab folder first, on top of the BioBeyond folder. So next week, week 9, this is when to complete a lab about evolution. And then when you're done with the lab, come here to BioBeyond. This is the BioBeyond link you can click on to access all the units. So here for week 9, you need to finish all the lessons in Unit 4, Time Traveler's Guide. All right, and then the arrangement is same for all the weekly folders. Now for week 10, you probably noticed that there's no BioBeyond folder, right? And that's because I have some app puzzle assignments to replace that BioBeyond unit. So all you need to do is to click on that app puzzle assignment link, and this is the actual link. So once you click on this, it will take you to App Puzzle website, and specifically our classroom, where you will see 2 short video assignments. Okay, so just complete those like what you did before with the puzzle assignments. All right, so that's all. So our last week is going to be week 17, and you will notice that there's no lecture material, right? I don't want to kind of overwhelm you, especially after this cyber attack. So if you look at the updated syllabus, you will notice that the content has been condensed. So I have removed some of the assignments, so this is why you will see some assignments removed, and you don't have to complete them. All right. So for our very last week, there's no BioBeyond. You just need to complete the virtual labs, and then you're good. All right. The very last folder over here, this is our signature assignment. I will have more details for you coming up because this is not due until probably 5 or 6 weeks from today. So don't worry about this. Once you get to the Blue Planet unit that's related to this signature assignment, I will give you more details and rubrics on how to complete this signature assignment. Okay, most students usually do really well with the signature assignment. All right, so this is the basic layout for our kind of new learning management system, Brightspace. So you can see that I think it's really kind of better organized than what we had in Blackboard. So hopefully you like this layout. If you have any feedback, any suggestions, feel free to let me know. I'm always happy to learn to kind of receive some feedback from students. All right, and I will start working on transferring your grades from BioBeyond and Connect to your gradebook here in Brightspace. So this grades, it's going to take me probably a couple of weeks to do that because there's no automatic transfer. I have to manually transfer your grades, meaning I have to go to those websites, see your grade, and then manually enter the grades in Brightspace. So it's going to take me a while. And then once I'm done, I want you to kind of double check the numbers I put in Brightspace and make sure my grade entries are correct, right? I don't want to have a wrong grade for you. All right, I think that's all. I will have office hours like before. So on the top of here, this is the WebEx class meetings. So if you need to talk to me about the class, if you have any questions, you can just go to this link on the left, the WebEx class meetings, and just click on this link. It will take you to my WebEx personal room where you can talk to me and I can help you. All right. So hopefully this will clear up some of the questions, some of the confusions you have. And don't worry, I will make things as easy as possible for you so that you can finish this course, you can finish, this semester with, still good